rolling, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine.
I have a very special video for you today. I am looking at a BMW E36 Compact. It will take you like 15 years back in time. It is so like 2005. It's crazy. It is a 318 Ti. That's the 1.8 16 valve. It only has a 120,000 kilometers, something like that. Well, I'm going to show you the car. So here we have the car. It is a fully custom built body kit. There's only one of them in like the world. This has a like full custom interior. It has the optional special doors. It has these 19-inch, well, two-piece wheels. Custom spoiler, pretty much custom everything. E46 and 3 mirrors. It has the Vader interior that is redone. It is in very good condition. Custom steering wheel, pretty much everything custom about the car. I think the only thing that is still original is the headliner. The car was repainted pretty much everywhere. They didn't miss out on any details. As you can see, even this was repainted. The only thing that is like a bit rusty is this. But that's pretty much it. So as you saw, we just cleaned the car, and it's actually the paint is in like quite good condition. Next up, we have to do a fuel pump because the fuel pump has gone bad. The car has been sitting for a while. Sorry for the noise. The car you hear in the background is a car I'm going to do a review of. I hope I'm going to ask him. It is a E46 with a S54 V32 engine. Really cool, but I'm not going to show it yet. So as I was saying, the fuel pump has gone bad because it has been sitting for a while. I'm pretty sure the starter is bad, I should ask. And that is pretty much it. We're going to do spark plugs and the standard stuff, and the car's leaking a bit of oil. But that's not the biggest issue. So here we can see the rear end of the car. This car is equipped with KW V3 coilovers. Has a really clean rear diff and a really clean rear subframe. Here you can see the custom body kit. So the whole idea behind the car is that we're going to make it presentable for today's standards. It is not my car, so I don't decide what is going to happen with the car. But the owner of the car is a very good friend of me, and he told me that we, Zero to Sideways, together with E36 Shop, we can turbo the car and make content for you. So it's going to be a 318 Ti, so compact, with a turbo sticking out of the hood. So we were able to bleed the clutch. I'm going to try and get out of the car without damaging it. Fun. Putting fuel in the car, maybe trying to start it. If it doesn't start, well, then we know that the fuel pump is bad, but we're not sure right now. So here we can see a 20-year-old fuel pump that is, well, that has shit the bed. I think this has been sitting for like a few years, and the reason why the car didn't start. We are putting a different fuel pump in it so we can try and start the car. First start in I don't know how many years. It was the fuel pump. We put another one in, as you saw, and the car turned over and started instantly. It is running a bit rough, but well, that's to be expected. So yeah, so the car is running. It has a little fuel leak at the filter, which is kind of dangerous. So yeah, we're going to swap out the rubber hose. So the car is ready to be test driven.
Live life golden.